Friends, today in this video, let us will discuss about the gastrulation process. In the previous video, we were discussing about the blastulation. That is formation of the blastula from the morula is called as the blastulation. Now today we are going to study here the gastrulation. Formation of the gastrula from blastula is gastrulation. This gastrulation and implantation. What is implantation? Implantation in rough language we can say that is nothing but the fixation of this or rooting of the embryo inside the endometrium of the uterus. What is endometrium? We know that here the uterus, it consists of the three layers. The innermost layer is called the endometrium, and the middle layer is called the myometrium, and the outer layer is called the perimetrium. These are the three parts of the uterus, and this endometrium is highly vascularized one, that is richly supplied with the blood vessels. So in this fixation of this embryo takes place, or we can say that it get implant roughly just near the fundus region of the uterus. Here this is the fundus of the uterus, and here it get implant, that is called the implantation. So gastrulation and implantation, both this takes place simultaneously, and it starts on the 8th day of the fertilization and may likely to be get finished with the 15th day of fertilization. In about 1 week, say we can say that, and after fertilization about 15 days. So implantation. So both these activities, they take place simultaneously, and this is called the gastrulation and implantation. So actually here the two events which are I would like to explain about these two events which take place during this. They are called to be the differentiation of the blastomeres. Differentiation of blastomeres, and the next one is called to be the morphogenetic movement. What is differentiation? Differentiation is nothing but the formation of the three layers, three body layers, say outer ectoderm, mesoderm, and endoderm. We know that we are triple blastic animal. Triple blastic means we are having the three layers in our body. The inner layer is called the endoderm, middle layer is the mesoderm, the outer layer called the ectoderm. And from each of these derms, different organs, different systems, they get developed into the body, and these are seen very clearly in the embryo only, and that's why the formation of these three layers during this period of the gastrulation, it is recorded to be this that gastrulation process, formation of three layers is there, and this results in what we call the differentiation of the blastomeres. Here blastomeres means actually these are the cells of the embryo, these are called the blastomere. And morphogenetic movement, what does it indicate? That morphogenetic movement means that we know that our development, it starts with the single cell containing the 46 number of the chromosome, what we call as here the zygote. This 46 number of chromosome, 23 from male parent, 23 from female parent, and this single zygote, that single cell, how does it get developed into that different organs, different systems? That movement is called to be the morphogenetic movement. So this is about the process of what you call it, how does the formation takes place. The details of this formation of this endoderm in the different ways, the formation of this gastrula, how does it take place, that we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.